Yeah, we're back with another one. So, guys, today it's going to be okay. Okay? Trust me. It's going to be okay. Your health, your strength, everything you want and your desires, your help cometh from the Lord. So anything that you need or you want or what you're trying to achieve, your help comes from the Lord. Stop worrying. Stop worrying and start praying. okay? Stop worrying and stop praying. It's going to be okay. I'll see you next time, guys. Hold the line, please. Y'all know I couldn't leave y'all without starting off my day with a cup of joe. Now, I did drink all my water. And when I come back, I'm going to have my tea. So, yeah, we're going to start off with a cup of joe this morning. How y'all doing this morning, beautifuls? How are y'all doing? I am doing fine. I'm glad you asked. Today is a beautiful day. I don't care what's going on today. I don't, because it's still a beautiful day. It's not going to take away from anything. It's a beautiful day. And we're going to enjoy it to the fullest, aren't we, y'all? Come on. Aren't we going to all enjoy it to the fullest? Say it now. Say it now. Say it now. Say it like you mean it. So, guys, oh my gosh. Y'all, I fell asleep last night, so y'all gonna have to fill me in for all of you guys that like to watch my favorite shows. You guys know what they are. I think Life, I think I forgot it, or if it doesn't come on, if it didn't come on yesterday, let me know in the comments for all you who watch it. So, excuse me, y'all. My cabinets are clean. Yeah, but for all of you who watch it, if it came on last night, please tell me, because I fell asleep. I really did. Them vegetables, y'all, that dinner, put your girl to sleep. Vegetables, yes. They do your body good, but they'll knock you down too. If you have a lot of it, they'll knock you down as well. So, I did get a little bit of Big Sky. I mean, y'all know which one I'm talking about. It was good. That dude is crazy. He is crazy. Can you imagine having a child that turns out like that? And you have to really, because we love our children, you like really stick to protecting your child. Oh my gosh. We'll talk about that later. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to go because I'm way past my time. And we're going to get back into this topic when I come back. So hold the line, please. Hey, y'all. I done got a little hungry, and I'm making me something to eat. I got just some regular home-style waffles going. And I'm using the rest of this dairy-free cream cheese. I really just wanted to get rid of it. But, yeah. So what are you guys up to today? Are you enjoying yourself? Doing something great? The trash went out yesterday, so I hate when that happens. Well, I'm not gonna say I hate it, but I have to be better prepared for when that happens because, oh yeah, this is warm too. I just like all my recyclables to go out at the same time. So they went out earlier this morning, so everything was out, but I had some stuff sitting to the side to put out. And hey, it didn't but it's still good, y'all, right? It's still good. What did I just say earlier? Everything might not be the way you want. It's still a good day, though. Still a good day, y'all. I don't let nothing get the best of me. Nothing. But let me know, like earlier I was asking you guys, well, I was mentioning to you guys that I fell asleep yesterday. These are still cold, y'all. I wanted some warm, you guys know I don't have no microwave, so this is just gonna have to work, okay? This is just gonna have to work. I don't even care. Look at that, so good. But anyway, I was telling you guys last night, I fell asleep, so I didn't get a chance to finish Blue Sky, but I'm gonna put some more on here, y'all. I did watch a little bit of it, so you guys can fill me in on what happened afterwards. I forgot my butter, y'all. What is going on? Yeah, you guys can fill me on what happened after the scene with him and his mom in the truck, and she hurt and got out of there. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So, y'all, something great might be about to happen. I don't know. Remember I was telling y'all yesterday, always be positive and stuff, and don't be over asking for stuff, you know. But I got a call yesterday, guys, that do I still want a dog? And I don't know, y'all. I might be getting me, I think it's a Yorkie. I think, let's go in here and talk, okay? So I can get everything together. Y'all, and I did, let me put this up first. I did maybe some more coffee. When you haven't had coffee in some time, it makes you want some more. Hold on, guys, let me set this down and I'll come back and get you. Yeah, when you ask for stuff, you have to be cautious because you might really get it. You might get it. But guys, look at that. Look how that looks. Ooh, wee. So if y'all can see, look at this. My daughter gave me this thing here, and I don't know if it's working or not. You guys can let me know if it works because I'm not sure. But I'm gonna set y'all down so I can eat my food. Eat my food a little bit. Hold on, y'all. I had y'all basically the wrong way. Sorry guys, this ain't gonna be long because I really do want to eat my breakfast. Well, not brunch, you would call it. Brunch, lunch. So, yeah, just fill me in on what happened yesterday for everything that I missed, even if life came on, fill me in on that because I didn't get a chance to watch it. I'm hoping and praying that I have my days wrong and it comes on tomorrow. But anyway, long story short, I got this call. Well, a message saying, do you still want a dog? I prefer a girl dog. I think I told you I want to be a girl dog. So, y'all, it's a boy dog and it's a dog that I've always wanted. So I don't know, y'all. We might be having a dog up in here pretty soon. So I've been asking questions like, is it potty trained? Does it have all the shots? Oh, there's salt in the streets. Does it have all the shots? Those are the main important things. What kind of food is it on? Y'all, because my dog gonna be a vegan. Seriously. It's gonna be a vegan. Why can't my dog be a vegan? So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna keep you any longer. Just wanted to give you some info on that. And remember, guys, love yourself. Speak good things over yourself. And always love yourself so you can love others. This is so good. I'm not trying to spill blueberry juice on my rug, so we're going to end this video. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. No, it wasn't much, but at least we got a chance to connect with one another. Guys, I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye, y'all. Love y'all.